Pizza, Nitro, pizza. Yeah, pizza. Here, Daddy puts you in the high chair. Okay. Here we go. Yeah. Pizza. Yay, pizza. No, it's okay. Pizza. Pizza. Mom. Give me pizza.
Oh, this box. Give it to mommy.
Yeah, we're gonna eat pizza, don't worry. You got your pizza, see? There it is. Yummy, yummy. Minsan lang siya kumain ng pizza, ha? Hindi ko araw-araw. Kumain si Nitro ng pizza sa bahay ni Lola. Tapos, ano po, as in gustong-gusto niya. And then ever since then, he kept saying, pizza, pizza. So today, we're having pizza for baby Nitro. Yay! Sana all.
Sana all may pizza.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into you. Oh baby, wherever you go, I pray the angels remind you.
Is that yummy, Nitro? Right? Yummy pizza?
This one is spicy, you can't have it.
Yeah, you just eat them with lovers. Yes. Mama.
Let me go away. Yum! Yes,
Yum.
He touches his tummy and says, yum. Did you see?
Yeah.
Yum!
Yum. Yum. Yeah.
Where's your chan?
Yeah.
Where's the pizza now? In your chan? Yes, in your chan.
Yum pizza, Nitro. Yummy for the baby. Mama. Ooh. Yummy. Ooh.
This beautiful life.
Pizza. Can Daddy have a bite? He says mine. Daddy have a bite. Sige na. Alright, Daddy will have his own pizza. Huh? Daddy have his own pizza?
You can only have.
Ooh.
Then, oh, that's Nitro's. You have to eat the one that's spicy.
Well, no, I think it'll be enough for Nitro. Thank you, Daddy.
He likes garlic bread din.
Mine.
It's
It's okay. You want a bite? You want a bite? Yum.
Cheers! Cheers!
You come sit here, mommy. Para we're...
Hello po. Hindi may check attendance. Kain po tayo.
You say pizza.
Busy ko.
Busy kumain. No? Hello, fam. Today is Australia Day. Woohoo! Yay! Australia Day. So, di ba? Sa Pilipinas, may Independence Day. Dito, this is Australia Day. Medyo controversial po siya. Kasi yung mga indigenous Australians, sinasabi nila na Australia Day is actually Invasion Day. So, tuwing Australia Day, may nag-aaway sa Facebook palagi. It becomes political and baby boy.
Nedro, can you say thank you? Alam po niyang mag-thank you. Yes,
Yeah,
pizza.
Pizza.
Happy boy. Bata kayo. Handshake.
Oh, Grandma's here.
Emma.
Hey, Grandma.
What time is it?
It's
It's not even 8:30 to eat pizza.
because we're filming.
It's Australia Day. We're celebrating.
Australians don't eat pizza. Pizza on Australia Day.
No, did you know?
Well, what do we eat on Australia Day, Mum?
Barbecue.
Well, there's barbecue sauce on it.
Sausages and lamb. Hey.
Oh,
No, pizza.
He loves it, eh? He says pizza all the time.
I know.
As soon as I pulled it out, he keeps going, pizza, pizza,
Give you a lolly and you say pizza.
pizza. Yeah.
Favorite word.
It is, eh?
That's very nice. Huh? Oh no, don't tap it down.
Oh, you, yes. Are you coming with me? Yes. Come on, let's go. You go see Grandpa? You go see Grandpa?
Bye,
Say
Nitro.
Grandpa. Say bye, Mum.
Bye.
Say bye, Mum.
Bye-bye.
You know when we go inside, he always says hi to everyone.
Yeah.
Bye, Nitro.
Bye, Nitro.
See ya.
Hi! Ako po si Bailey at may Phil Talk ako.
If you want to learn Tagalog or Bisaya, Phil Talk is awesome.
Just go to philtalk.net and create an account.
Sign up to Phil Talk today.
Hey guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng jowa, download na kayo ng app namin na PhilTalk. Nasa Apple App Store siya at nasa Android phone din po siya. Punta ka lang sa website na philtalk.net sa web browser nyo and then install the app from there. Ayun. We've been working on PhilTalk for many years and we've put a lot of money into it, a lot of time, a lot of sacrifice. So please download PhilTalk, check it out, try it. Social media for the Philippines na may dating as well. It's social media for the Philippines where you can date and find your true love.
Find your true love.
Sana all. Oh, Sean, tapusin mo na yung pizza yan. Maraming salamat sa panunood guys at kita-kits sa sunod na video ng Duanta. Bye for now.
You were really give some freedom, everything to me. I wanna spend my life.